Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change the name on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. So at first, just open your phone. And as you open your phone, open your PlayStation app from wherever it is located. And as you open your PlayStation app, you're in this home page. So just stay at the home page and just click on your profile at the top. And as you do that, go in the middle option, edit profile. And guys, it depends on your internet speed to load. And as it loads, you can see the option right here, the name at the second, and go in the option edit. And guys, just change the name whatever you like and click on the option save. So guys, that's how you change the name on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.